Day 2, and they got me hunting moles. That's a hell of a way to make friends. Still trying to get a beat on why I'm here. Falco, the base commander, seems to have big plans for me. Not sure who I can trust just yet. But there's one person, Kendra Midori. She seems... well, I don't know. Whatever. I've been assigned to some place they call the Park. Blue Lagoon's the official name. Whatever the name, it's a chance to check out the wildlife. And my avatar.
Welcome to the park, sir. The park? Yeah, Blue Lagoon. We fenced in the whole area. Big chunk of Pandora wilderness. You want to see the planet? This is the safest place to do it.
How are we supposed to see the planet from inside a fence?
Seriously, man, you do not want to go beyond the fences, okay? I heard about a dude lost his arm to a plant. A frickin' plant.
You serious?
Like the clap. Officer Midori's waiting for you near the main gate.
Ryder, you're just in time. We've got troops caught in the wire. They're reporting Viper Wolves moving on them.
Viper Wolves?
You'll love them. You've worked a turret, right? Good. Climb the main gate and lay down some covering fire. Move it! Not bad for a signal specialist.
Thanks.
This isn't over yet. We still have a man deep in the wire. Grab a buggy and help him out. Kid's name is Dalton, and he's pretty spooked.
What spooked him?
Guess you're gonna find out.
Stay sharp if you want to survive out here.
Lifesaver.
Damn it!
Thank God you're here. The place is infested with those dogs. I had to slip in here and try and lose them. You gotta help me. I can't leave till I DF a signal, and I got Viper Wolves everywhere. This mission's priority 1 for Commander Falco. It's to track Nabby activity or something. I can't get it working.
Calm down. What do you need?
I need a signal, and I ain't never done this stuff before.
All right. Can you make it back to base okay? I'll lock the signal for you.
For real? Oh man, you're saving my ass. You gotta head a couple of mics northeast. That's the spot.
Come on! I'll need these.
Kendra moved to the forward base. Grab one of the gators and head upriver to meet her.
Kensington just radioed. He was pretty impressed with you back there. And nothing impresses that guy. You're pretty good in a firefight. I need you to check in with Dalton. We've got even more problems along the fence line.
Dalton. Wasn't he the guy stuck in the wire?
That's him. Get to the fence, see what's going down.
I'll need these.
Hey, Ryder. Seems like every time I see you, there's trouble. We've got breaches along the fence. If there's a breach, it means one thing.
Viper wolves.
You got it. I'm checking the north fence. I need you on the south fence. Check the sonic pulses. Those things are meant to repel animals, except for some reason, they're attracting them. You gotta fix that.
Here we go. All the sonic pulses are fixed. No more Viper wolves.
Great. Officer Midori said to find her when you're done. Hey, listen, I told Falco you helped set the scan on that Navi village. Didn't want to steal your thunder.
Appreciate it.
No problem. He said watch the skies. He's sending a dragon ship to activate the scan. Watch for it, huh?
I'll take that.
follow that signal. I'll keep working on it from here. I'm sending in support. They'll meet you there. Get going. Good job on the fences. Time to get you into your avatar.
Sounds good. About those fences, I didn't tell Dalton, but as I was fixing the repulsors, I could tell someone physically inverted the wires.
You think it's the mole?
It has to be. Whatever's going on here, this place is seriously messed up.
You have no idea. The Na'vi are discovering human hospitality. And big surprise, they don't like what they see. This place is a powder keg waiting to blow. But that's another story. It's time for you to fire up your avatar.
Warning, hull breach. Hull breach, shaft line 7.
That never fails to creep me out.
Damn, you're tiny.
Yeah, whatever. Listen, head over to meet Dr. Harper and his Avatar team. Harper's the chief of the Avatar program out here. He's a smart guy. You'll like him.
Dr. Harper, I presume.
Oh, you must be Ryder. Let's get you up to speed.
Straight to it, huh?
My apologies. It's been one of those days. I'm sure we'll be the best of friends. Or the worst of enemies.
I'm not here to make enemies.
Then we'll get along just fine. Now, please, go and assist my associates.
You, listen, noob. I need you to grab me some flora samples. You ain't afraid of a few carnivorous plants, are you?
What's a deadly flower among friends?
We aren't friends, and you need to learn quick. No one in the RDA is your friend. Figure that out, and you might survive on this rock.
All right, then.
Just grab me samples of a chalice and a scorpion thistle, and we won't have any problems.
Ryder, come in. Listen, head over to meet Dr. Harper and his Avatar team.
You've done well, Ryder. I had my doubts, but you seem to have a good head on you.
Thanks.
I am Tangela. I have expected you. Today you must help clean infected herds. Sky people bring disease to our beasts.
Where'd you learn English?
Rene Harper has taught us your words for many summers. He is good. He says you help. Go.
Copy. Locked on. Airstrike in. Clear back. Out.
Ryder, come in. You better go see Falco.
Don't stand around. Get your butt to the chopper pad. I want that mole.
Roger!
Commander Falco, what are you doing here?
Plans have changed, kid. I need you to follow Tangela. We've just learned he's the link to the mole, and I need that mole right now.
What the hell's going on?
I'm shutting down the Navi once and for all. The only loose end is that mole. Follow Tangala, and he'll lead you straight to him.
Commander Falco.
What do you got, kid?
It's Dr. Harper. I can see him right now with Tangala.
Son of a bitch. Harper. All right, we're loading a Scorpion now. Get down there, and don't let Harper get away.
It's you. You're the mole.
Is that what you're here for? Find the mole. Well, you did it. I'm the mole. Great work, Ryder. I smell promotion in the air.
Do you realize what you're doing?
Think about what you're doing. Any of this look familiar?
Wait, that's...
Yeah, that's where the Navi used to live. Before you stepped in.
Me? I didn't do this.
Everyone's hearing about it. The new SIG-Spec locked the target. What the hell did you think you were doing?
They told me it was... Oh, God.
They used you, Ryder. Falco and the RDA are finished. It's just a matter of time. I've joined with the Navi.
Give it up, Harper. Don't make this messy.
The Navi could use you. It's now or never. We're two avatars against these guys. We can take them. Let's do it right now. Right now!
Time's up! Ryder, I order you to shoot Harper.
Listen to me, Ryder. We're two avatars. We can take out these troops.
This ain't over, Ryder. Not by a long shot.
gotta go now. Grab your dire horse.